Welcome back, Hot Wheels collectors. Got some more cars to show you today. I've got the new Kroger editions that just came out that are starting to hit stores right now. I've got those in, and I've also got the new treasure hunt, super treasure hunt for us to look at, and the regular treasure hunt for us to look at. So this is going to wrap up all of the cars found in the L case. So we're going to start with number 201. This is the 52 Chevy in blue. So this is a matte blue finish. It's got some rusty tampos and the Mighty Max Garage on the side. That looks pretty good. Number 202 is another truck. This is a 69 Chevy pickup in an olive green. So this casting has been around for a while, but it has been modified. So now it's a significant amount smaller than it was before. I don't know why they decided to do that, and they've changed how the base, what parts of the base are plastic where they used to be metal, like these little side steps in the front bumper, I believe. If you find this one, this is the regular version of the Super Treasure Hunt. If you find this one, it will be the Super Treasure Hunt. It has a little bit more decoration. It has a more Spectraflame green paint as opposed to the kind of darker olive. And it has rubber tires and Real Rider wheels. So be on the lookout for this one. Make sure to look at the hood and the roof if you find this casting, and double check for those rubber tires. The TH is going to be right here on the window, on the door, right there at the bottom. Number 203 is the Fast Feline. So it kind of looks like a Jaguar, but it's not. And this is part of the Tokyo 2020 series that is now delayed until 2021. Maybe, hopefully. Always looks good in green. It's got the athletics, so your track and field type stuff, I guess, is represented on this car. Tokyo 2020 on the hood. Really pretty green color on this. Trap 5 wheels. Number 204 is also from the Tokyo 2020 series. This is Sport Climbing, and so we've got the Mountain Mauler. So this is a Jeep type casting. From that front grille, it looks like it might be the old Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 kind of base kind of look based on that. Otherwise, you got a kind of cool rock crawler mud pit, also in that same green. Really nice. Nice color. Number 205 is the Dune Daddy in pink. Part of the Tokyo 2020 set as well for beach volleyball. And this is the regular treasure hunt for the L case. Oh, let's look on the card. You can see it's got the congratulations, we're celebrating 25 years of treasure hunts and you just found one! And there's the logo on the back, the little circle flame logo for the regular treasure hunt. The Dune Daddy in a pearl pink. Alright. Number 206 is the Alpha Pursuit. This is new casting for 2020. It's an original design. It's in a matte silver with some black, blue details. It's got the blue light bar up at the top. In a police livery. Paint's cool. I guess it's supposed to be a futuristic police car. Number 207. It's another police car. This is the 92 BMW M3 in Pulitzei Livery. This makes perfect sense. German car, German police. Looks good in the white and the green. Coming up behind you on the Autobahn. Number 208 is going to be the 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata in yellow. And this looks pretty good for the first generation Mazda Miata. Yellow was one of the colors you could get it in. And this looks good. And it's a little smaller, which is nice. I'm glad they didn't make it too big. Number 209 is the 2010 Chevy Impala in a blue Hot Wheels racing livery. So this is kind of a stock car type look. I guess based on the NASCAR Impalas from about 10 years ago now, right? In a Hot Wheels racing blue race team livery. Looks pretty good with those yellow wheels. Number 210 is a 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302 RTR vehicles, Von Gittin Jr. This looks pretty good. It is black with green accents. It's got some tampo on there for some fake velocity stacks. And it's got some matte black tampos on the hood for some accents. And it even has some tampo action there on the windshield, which is pretty cool. This is one of my favorite castings. It's got those cool classic rims on it too. And it's got a single seat interior. Very cool looking car. Now in the L cases that people got at Target, you also got number 224, which is the '84 Pontiac Firebird. So this isn't actually supposed to show up until M case, but it was first to market at Target. In red. So this is a somewhat modified casting that we haven't seen in the main line in a very long time, if we've seen it in the main line ever. So this is pretty cool. It's good looking. Let's see. The base says 2019, so it has been updated. I think to add the T-tops instead of a, like to have a roof instead of being open T-tops. I think that's what they did. Looks good. Now the Kroger Exclusives, we're going to start with number 34. This is a 76 Greenwood Corvette in a red, white, and blue with some silver accents. Number 76. And this is a pretty cool car to begin with. Kind of a wild version on the Corvette, but it's a real car, actually raced. I'm sure many of you know that already. That looks pretty good. Nice and clean. Number 67 is a recolor of the Roger Dodger. This time it's in gold. Part of the Art Cars series. And it's in kind of a matte finish gold with that steampunk deco on the sides. This side says steam, this side says punk. There's an R on the top. It's got brown steelies, kind of an interesting choice. But I guess with an art car you can get away with anything. Number 72 is the 96 Porsche Carrera, this time in silver. Now this silver is the same silver that was on the Honda Prelude. It's kind of interesting, looks like base coat, clear coat. It's pretty cool. And you got front details on there and rear details, so it looks nice and stock. And that's overall, I think that's a pretty good looking, clean model. And we've got number 142. This is the custom Ford Maverick from the Flame series in what looks like to be a matte blue. Oh. Yep, it's a matte light blue with flames. So last time we saw it in a black. This time in blue with yellow windows, yellow accents on the wheels. Wish it had front and rear details, but it looks good otherwise. So that looks good. Let's put them on a shelf. Here is number 34, Kroger Exclusive Greenwood Corvette. Number 67, the Kroger Exclusive Roger Dodger. Number 72, the Kroger Exclusive 96 Porsche Carrera. Number 142, the Kroger Exclusive Custom Ford Maverick. Number 201, number 202, Number 202 Super Treasure Hunt. Number 203. Number 204. $205, the regular treasure hunt. $206. $207. $208. $209. And $210. And number 224.